Hello, everybody. My name is Michael DeGioia, and it's that time of year again. It's the time for our fall 2023 number one best trader competition. This year's competition is going to be running from November 6th to December 1st. And the prizes are, as usual, having your name up in lights in the market site at the Nasdaq in Times Square, the crossroads of the world. So join us for the next number one best trader competition. And remember that our early bird discount ends on October 20th. So make sure you join us as quickly as possible so that you can use your Dash Trader software in training mode to familiarize yourself with the training platform. So you get to use all the tools for your number one best trader competition. The sooner you sign up, the more time you have to use your tools. Anyway, I look to see you in the competition, and good luck.